Hello, everyone. Welcome to Building Public with Natively. Today is the day 29th of my 30 days challenge where I'm building one app and give it away to one of you. Today, I want to build Uber app, and I would like to give it to one of you who will build it further. So I was like thinking, because I was taking a taxi today, I'm like, okay, I would love to have, my own Uber app. Of course, not my own Uber app because like it's owned by Uber, but what if we can build a simple, example of Uber app? And I think that will be interesting. So let me share my screen and let's start building. Um, Perfect. So let me write my prompt. Build me a Uber app. Let me just put this design. Let's give it a go. So yeah, today I was thinking to maybe make an Uber app. And as I said, today is the 29th day of my 30 days challenge. So I have one more day to go with this challenge where I'm building one app and give it away to one of you. Yeah, it's super exciting that it's coming to an end, but also it means that there's a new challenge that I should think of. And I already have some ideas for the next challenge. I have to just, think about how do I want to approach the next one and how can I make it, better? Because I think, what we do every time that we do something, it should be better than the previous one. So let me know if you have some ideas on how can I do, the next challenge a better one. What do you want me to focus on? And yeah, if you have some ideas, please let me know. So I would love to do it. But also, if you would like to join the recording with me, it's like, for some episodes, please let me know and let's do it together. And yeah, there's a link in the community, in the description. It's a community link. So if you create your account with that, you will get 5 prompts. So just go create your account, and then once you start your plan with Natively, you will get 5 free prompts with that. So all the base, and just let me know what you're building as well, and what apps you're building, what are you thinking. Like for anyone that I show Natively, like when I do a live demo of Natively, they're super impressed. Like they're like, wow, is it even possible? I'm just saying, yeah, this is possible. So I think, now with AI, and thanks to all the AI companies, there's no such thing as impossible. So everything is possible, and that's quite nice. And I think by the time it's getting better and better, so it's will be quite interesting to see how the whole thing would evolve. With coding, with building, with businesses, with startups, with technology. So living in a very interesting era. Yeah, that's interesting. So we see our app is being built slowly. So we have a nice overview here so far. So meanwhile, I'm gonna connect the Supabase. So to save us some time, I will do connect here, connect Supabase. I log in the organization. So I say this one. I let Natively to build it for me, the database. So I connect with the weather app because I don't have, a space for a new project. But for you, I suggest to create a new project. So weather app, I connect this one. Perfect. So I go to the dashboard. I see that we have 32 tables, but these 32 tables are all from other projects. So this is not from the project that, from the app that we're building now. So it's all other projects, apps. Yeah, let's go here. But just remember that we have 32 tables because we will, like when we add the new tables for our app, for Uber app, then the number will increase. Yeah, it's building. Nice. Perfect. So our app is built. I don't like the design. This looks so simple, compared to our other apps. That's okay. I can change the design at some point. Yeah, I mean, whatever. So let's connect the Supabase. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. Let's give it a go. So remember that we had 32 tables here. Nice. So we had 32 tables. Now we have 36. So we added 4 new tables for our Uber app. And let's go and find it. Yeah. Drivers. Yeah, this one is drivers, Uber profiles. Yeah. And the other one. Yeah, that's why it's better to, to have one project, one database for one app so that you can find the tables even. Yeah, so we have 4 new tables for our Uber app and the backend is being built here. Perfect. So our backend being built. So I can create an account. I put my name here, the email address. Yeah, so when we build the backend, then we will get a login, like authentication. So that's nice. So we know that the backend is built. Yep. Okay, I sign up. Perfect. Here we are. So this is our simple Uber app that I built. I don't like the design for sure. I can change it, but I can use my visual designer and then change the color, like give it a bit more. Oh, nice. Yeah, apply the changes. Yeah, so I can, like work with my visual editor and then change the design. But of course, this was just a simple prompt. So we gave it 2 prompts to build the backend and the front end. And so we just build a simple Uber app in just a few minutes. And if you like to take the ownership of this project, just let me know. I would love to give it to you. And you build this app further, but also maybe you'll build it for something else, like for a scooter, for other type of transportation that you want. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks for joining, and let you know what you're building. And also, there's a link in the community, in the description, community link. So just use that link and then build your dream app. So thanks a lot. And please let me know if you want me to build something for tomorrow. If you have any idea, tomorrow is the last day of my 30 days challenge. Thanks for following me for a month. Yeah, so it has been quite lots of fun. Have a nice evening and see you all tomorrow. Bye.